Manipur celebrates Teachers' Day. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar urges teachers and students to focus on academics. Forest and Environment Minister Shyam Kumar expresses concern at the increase in crime against women. People come to one-year-old boy's rescue after seeing message on WhatsApp. And parents are worried about the children's career after they ran away from the National Sports Academy at Kumalampa. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News with me, Priyo Bharta, and let's now take a look at the news in detail. Manipur joined the nation in celebrating the Teachers' Day to commemorate the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India. Education Department organized the state-level Teachers' Day at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium Palace Compound. The State Teachers Awards were also presented to 10 selected teachers on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar appealed to teachers and students to take an oath to focus on academics. While maintaining that the private schools could not compete with the government schools once upon a time, the Deputy Chief Minister said it is high time all introspected as to why the government schools are lacking behind. He asserted that in the past, the relationship between teacher and students was good. Joy Kumar said students used to have great regards for the teachers and the teachers were proud of their profession. He also expressed the crying need to create an academic atmosphere in educational institutions by imparting both formal and informal education to the students.
My request to the teaching fraternity and the education students fraternity would be, as a parting shot, I would like to request that let's take a place as far as the teachers are concerned. Today onwards, let us teach, and for the students also, please take a place that will learn. I think let's have these two places. After that, I think I'm sure the school education, particularly government schools, will definitely jump high and become something, in a state like Manipur also. If we really take this up, it will be something which other state will be interested to learn, to know how this has happened. So let us try to do this.
In his speech, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham maintained that teachers play an important role in the growth of a society. He asserted that the Education Department is working to resolve the grievances faced by the teachers. The minister also said the government is aware of the inconveniences faced by teachers with regard to the transfer and posting policy. Radhesham appealed to teachers to cooperate in achieving uniform education system in both the hills and valley. He reiterated that the Education Department is working towards developing Dhanamanjuri College into a cluster university and drafting a bill for private schools and private tuition centers to bring about a change in the education system. The minister also asserted that plans are in place to carry out confidence-building programs like personality-building activities, extracurricular activities at government schools. Chairman of Hills Area Committee T.T. Haukip, Manitron Chairman Dr. Y. Radhesham, Principal Secretary of Education S., Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education, top officials of Education Department and students were attended the event. Awards were also presented to the selected master trainers on the occasion.
I interact on whenever I meet teachers. Sometimes I do a lot of hard talk. I always take side with the teachers. When I enter this department, I found that teachers are also suffering like anything. Ukrulda, Tausiemda, Tabeida, Adagi Borobekrada, Tariba Ozasingi, Pigum Yengoragadi, Akwedaso, Noaita. I know that teachers in Manipur, they have been contributing their whatever they could. Aduna akoi oza singda akoi na karigumba soigibla angi yaurokso ngakpina ba ina oza singda thamjage.
District level committee of Zonal Education Office Zone 2 Imphal East District celebrated the Teachers' Day at ZEO office Porompat. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 10 best government teachers under Zone 2 were presented with mementos on the occasion. DC Imphal East TH Chitra was also present at the event. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has greeted the teachers of Manipur on the occasion of Teachers' Day. 5th September is celebrated across the country as Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, a renowned educationist, scholar and a former President of India on his birth anniversary. Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren also extended greetings to teachers on Teachers' Day. In his greeting, the Chief Minister lauded the sacrifices made by the teachers in the society. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham also greeted the people of the state on Teachers' Day. In his message, Radhesham said, teachers are the backbone of the society. He said teachers are taking great responsibilities in guiding the students to make them good and responsible citizens. Zonal Education Office Thoubal also celebrated Teachers' Day at Thoubal DC Complex today. Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal L. Nabakishore and ZEO of Zone 3 S. Mangi were among those present at the celebration. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Speaking on the occasion, L. Nabakishore maintained that the day is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India, and his contribution as a teacher towards the development of education in the country. Director and staff of Manipur Statehood General Amnesty Relievers Trust MSGART located at Sekmai were arrested by police yesterday. They were arrested for allegedly collecting a huge sum of money from people by promising them to make rice agents. The agents have today clarified that the arrested are not related to the trust. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, K. Bijaya, who is an agent of the trust, said she is against the act of the trust in collecting huge amount of money from 216 agents promising rice at cheap price. She condemned the trust for portraying the agents in a negative image.
Sekmai da leba MSGRT ki office ki director amasung office ki staff ama ko moina matam kuina gi mamang dagi lairaba praja sing da cheng phangan gani haiduna lekai lekai dagi agent sing khangatle agent sing se moina deposit tawgadabani adagi mayam dagi pisa khomgadabani haiduna pisa khomhalle ba pisa sing kari kara mayam sing arang di moise police na phare fake document ngak da oirame moise achumbam da tawramdre haina office dagi moise police na phare ba police na phara moi sing siga khoi ga kari gumam ta da mari leina de akhoi di office ki channel da moina agent ohen gani haiduna akhoi da deposit to hon gi ba akhoi agent oining ba gi dam ta moi ga mari leina ro ba khatane ba matam khara dang akhoi su akuba marol achumba thiri ngai manung sidi mayam akhoi mayam na su support to biraga moi gi sigi achumara se khanga matung da mayam da gi logi ba paisa nung sa punam akhoi na moi da handon gani.
Manipur Drivers Welfare Association in a press release stated that there are numerous checkposts along the highway which are collecting money from the goods trucks plying on the road. It said the association has submitted a memorandum to the Chief Secretary and the problem has been highlighted in the local dailies, but collection of money still continues. The association said it will pay tax to the police department and ask the government to fix a rate instead of collecting money at the police check gates. The association also drew the attention of the Chief Minister to the matter. Forest and Environment Minister Thonajam Shamkumar today expressed grave concern over the rise in crime against women in Manipur, especially on social media. Speaking at the annual Freshers Meet of GP Women's College Hostel on the DM College campus, Thamaiban, T.H. Shamkumar spoke on virtues of inculcating a good moral character and encouraged the girls to concentrate on studies for a bright future. The minister also sent 70 orange and lemon saplings from the horticulture department to be planted around the hostels. In his speech, Superintendent of GP Women's College Hostel KSH Rajeshwar stressed the need to maintain discipline by everyone in every sphere of life to be successful in life. He also drew the attention of the minister to the old drainage system around the hostel established in 1965. Principal of GP Women's College Dr. B. Lalhari Sharma, teaching and non-teaching staff and students attended the event. Cultural programs highlighted the event. People have come to one-year-old boy's rescue after seeing an SOS message on WhatsApp seeking help for the child. Treatment of the one-year-old boy with protein energy malnutrition is going to be possible after help was sought through multimedia messaging application WhatsApp. The child from More Ward number 1 is currently admitted at More Hospital. The child is raised by his father and his grandmother after their parents divorced. He was admitted at the More Hospital by his grandmother after his condition deteriorated. The hospital authorities suggested the patient's family to take him to Imphal. Hearing the news about the boy, Impact News More correspondent Lucky Boy sought help for the boy through WhatsApp. Receiving the message for help, public leaders, SDPO, OC of More Police, SP Technopol extended financial help. The boy will be brought to Imphal for treatment at RIMS. Heading into a small commercial break, but we'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News, and in further news, several parents have expressed grave concern about the career of their children following the crisis at the National Sports Academy, Kumalampak. Students of the National Sports Academy ran away from their hostel 3 days ago, protesting lack of teachers and sports equipment at the academy. The parents held a meeting today against the silence of the NSA authority over the matter. The Guardian Association of the Academy held a meeting at the indoor hall adjacent to the Academy. They were concerned that their children will not be able to make a career either in sports or academics. The Academy, which offers courses in 6 sport disciplines, does not have infrastructure including teachers. It has been alleged that the students were not given proper food. The students fled the hostel after the director of the Academy allegedly continued to remain indifferent to the repeated complaints by the students.
Sahi ahum mari si sanabagi kit matik sana pi dabana academy sta training tabugi kana leite na satra singje sadali magoi senthorok pad sina maram oira kanda akhoi huji akhoi ahal man singse amu pullaga kari karamaina karamba khongthang lokhal kamaina chakhol hansigi kamaina yanabsi puraksi ke haibagi damuta ngasigi meeting ase sinjaban yam na akhoi na yam kana nunang se school sida lairiti tamba adagi sanabasu oiba sanabada oibra oida lairikta oibra oida lairiki su school se oja siam wale na haire waja wale adi sanabagi mapol masai sisu ranai oina laibagi phibam amakhak sum taunabadong yawsu uba.
For the first time in Manipur, Department of General and Laparoscopic Surgery, Seizure Hospitals and Research Institute removed pancreatic tumor through keyhole surgery. In a press release, the institute said a laparoscopic surgery team led by Dr. Jugendra Sorokhaibam successfully removed the tumor and the patient was discharged after recovery. Endoscopic ultrasound EUS is a minimally invasive procedure to assess gastrointestinal and lung diseases. Tangkham Awanglekai Youth Club has protested the suspension of President of Khundrakpam BJP Mandal Ngasepam Iboyai from the primary membership of the party. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of the club S. Kiran said a felicitation of meritorious students was held at Tangkham Awanglekai on July 2nd this year. Ngasepam Iboyai took part in the program as he was invited as the president of the development committee. Kiran maintained that Iboyai did not make any political statement at the event. He said it is unfortunate that members of the Mandal make false allegations against him to remove him from the post of the president. Kiran urged those concerned to withdraw the suspension order in 3 days. Speaking at the press meet, Ngasepam Iboyai expressed dissatisfaction at his suspension. Iboyai maintained that he will continue to work for the party.
General Secretary Orba Administration ki BJP Manipur Pradesh ki K. Sarat Kumar na Nanji State Office ta kokut pire haraga aibu handak jila parishad ki candidate oina thoibasi candidate oina withdraw tawro candidate oiro haina withdraw tawragadi president phamdagi lokthoi aduga withdraw tawdragadi president phamdagi lokthokani haiba asumba angakba wakhalonda tawrokbaji ai ngaktaba ngamde indending candidate oiriba TIS Muindro Singona mahangna karigumba BJP ki candidate amoina thokbasida vote karagadi ai isamak uncontested Jila Parchiki oina putokani haramba aduga vote kadra matungda magi loina bibu puthorokba haibase handaki thoiba tawriba aibu suspend tawriba se masi yamna thamoi pikpa rajniti amani aina aigi thamoi da chena thajaba phawi.
AITI Lilong Local Council has condemned Yumnam Devzed, son of Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, for posting an offensive comment on the eve of Bakri Eid on social networking site. In a press release, the council warned of intense agitations if no actions are taken against him. Manipur Students Federation and Pangal Students Organization issued a 3-day ultimatum to those schools which conducted regular classes on Eid-ul-Juha demanding a clarification. Speaking to media persons at MSF office at Kashampat, Toplerak, PSO President MD Azizur Rahman said Eid-ul-Juha was celebrated across the state, but 5 schools, namely Heritage Convent, Harvard School, SI Academy, KM Blooming School and Khongjom Standard English School held regular classes on the day. He warned that said schools should take the responsibility for any steps taken by MSF and PSO if they fail to make a clarification on the matter.
Manipur da private school kharana suti tha da haibasi Manipur gumba kanglup kayana shi chana khunda lekta duna leiminagai wa iram da Manipur gi apun be saktam da amasu nungshi chana bagi mari da ayepa pi bani hana law da bangam de kai gi damakta suti law tom no haido wi school gi authority amadi principal singna thuma matam da singro prakadawni kai mu singro to ba thulawdi PSO amadi MSF na lokla ba thau dorom
Biochemical investigations for T3, T4, TSH, ANA, DNA and anti-DS DNA will not be conducted in the Department of Biochemistry RIMS for a few days due to technical failure of the ELISA reader. Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC in a press release said the last date of submission of applications for the post of Principal of Government Colleges in Higher Education Department has been extended to September 11th. Meanwhile, online submission of application for the post of Child Development Project Officer in Social Welfare Department has begun from the 1st of this month. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA is likely to ground over 130 pilots and 430 cabin crew members of national carrier Air India for allegedly skipping the mandatory pre- and post-flight alcohol test. Sources said these crew members had regularly been evading the breath analyzer test over a period of time for flights to and from certain destinations such as Singapore, Kuwait, Bangkok, Ahmedabad and Goa. Aviation regulator DGCA has already served an ultimatum to the Air India management over the alleged safety violations by the airline's crew members ahead of its enforcement action. As part of the DGCA's safety regulations, all pilots and cabin crew must undergo breath analyzer test before and after flights. And some sports news. MYC Maharabi and KSYC Hyangthang beat their rivals in the first SH Mani Sharma Memorial 3rd Division Football League Tournament. In the 6th league match played today at the ground of Spinning Mill Loitang Kunau, MYC Maharabi defeated TDC Mayang Langjing 2-1. And in the 7th league match, KSYC Hyangthang thrashed USC Kodumpokpi 2-0. 10 teams are taking part in the tournament held under the aegis of Imphal West District Football Association. 8th and 9th league matches will be played on the 7th of this month. India's Konsam Urmila Devi bagged a gold medal in 44 kg weight category on the opening day of the Commonwealth Youth Boys and Girls Weightlifting Championships held at Gold Coast, Australia. Urmila lifted 57 kg in snatch and 76 kg in clean and jerk for an overall effort of 133 kg to finish on the top of the podium. With this effort, Urmila has registered her best lift so far. KDA Herok Kaboleka have won the 3rd district level under 13 7A side football tournament. KDA Herok defeated TLYC Herok Torambam Lekai 5-4 in the final in the tiebreaker today. Both the sides could not score in the stipulated time. Organized by Torambam Lekai Youth Club Herok, the tournament began from the 6th of last month. 16 teams took part in the tournament played at Torambam Lekai playground. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham distributed prizes to the winners and the runners-up. Youth Voluntary Association Khergaon, Imphal East distributed uniforms to the players who will take part in Nahakpam Apabi Memorial 3rd Division Football Tournament 2017. The league, organized by Imphal East District Football Association, will be played at ABA Ground, Khetrigaon. The uniforms were sponsored by Janab Abdul Kalam. Kickboxing Association of Manipur, in a press release, informs that the National Championship 2017, which was earlier scheduled to be held from August 24th to 27th at Rajiv Gandhi Indoor Stadium, Guwahati, will be held from September 22nd to 25th at Lakshmi Marriage Palace, Mata Modi Road, Sangrur, Punjab. And before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Manipur celebrates Teachers' Day. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar urges teachers and students to focus on academics. Forest and Environment Minister Shyam Kumar expresses concern at the increase in crime against women. People come to one-year-old boy's rescue after seeing message on WhatsApp. And parents are worried about the children's career after they ran away from the National Sports Academy at Kumalamba.